Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important questions in the organizing. The Rajiv and the owner of Pathway Construction decide to start campaigning to create awareness among people for developing a clean surrounding in the area. He formed a team of 10 members to list the different way from the cleaning the surrounding. One suggests to take the help of local resident, another suggests that they have to involve the social going children in their venture. One more suggestion was to take the help of the unemployed youth on the elevation of different way. It was decided to take the help of local resident to achieve the desired goal, and various activities identify like purchase of necessary item like dustbin, garbage bag, brooms, collection of garbage, disposal of garbage, etc. After identification of different activities, the work was allocated to the different member. And the first question, identify the concept of management involved in the above situation and quoted line which help in their identification, and also identify the value which is company want to communicate to the society. The two things involved in the concept of management that is planning and organizing. First, one suggests to take help of local residents, another suggests to make involve school going children in the venture on. One more suggests to take help of the unemployment youth. On the elevations of different way, decide to take help the local resident. The second, organizing to achieve the desired goal, various activity identification, purchase of necessary item like dustbin, garbage bag, etc., collection of garbage, disposal of garbage. After identification of different activities, the work was allocated to different members. And the B, the value which is company want to communicate to the society as cleanness and responsibility. Next question, Samir Gupta started a telecommunication company, Doneria Limited, to manufacture an economical mobile phone for the Indian rural market with the 15 employee. The company did very well in the initial year as the product was good and market well. The demand for the product went up. To increase the production, the company decided to recruit additional employees. Samir Gupta, who were earlier taking all the decision for the company, had to selective disperse authority. He believed that subordinates are competent and capable or resourceful and can assume responsibility for the effective implementation of their decision. This paid and off, and the company was not only able to increase its product but also expand its product range. Next, identify the concept used by the Samir Gupta through the which he was able to steer the company to greater height, and B, also explain any 3 points of importance of this concept. The first answer, the concept used by Samir Gupta through which he is able to steer the company to the greater height is a decentralizations. The three advantages using decentralization are: the first, decentralization have to promote the self-reliance and the confidence among the subordinate. When the subordinate are given freedom to take their own decision, they learn to depend on their own judgment and develop solution for the various problems they have encountered. Moreover, a decentralization policy help to identify those executive who have the necessary potential to become dynamic leader. And next, relief to the top management. Decentralization reduce the need of the direct supervisions and help to save the time of management for pursuing other important work. And next, quick decisions. Means in decentralization, organization manager at all the level allowed to take such decision independently, which is lies within their area of the jurisdiction. This make process of decision making much faster. Next questions, Alliance Limited engaging manufacture plastic buckets, and the objective of this company is to manufacture 100 buckets a day. To achieve this, the effect of all the department are coordinate, are interlinked, and authority responsibility relationship established among various job positions. There is a clarity on who is to report to whom. Name the functions of management discussed above. The organization is the function of management being discussed above.